the mitigation company drilled holes in the token, right? Behind these cabinets, is where the AC, the air handler is located at. That's where the claim. As you can see inside of these cabinets, there's water damage due to the AC leak that is being claimed. Over here, they also removed tile baseboards. Now, because they removed the tile baseboards around this area, we will be including tile flooring throughout the house. Behind this wall is where the affected area is located at, which is in the garage, the air handler. Remember, call us today at 407-610-2333.